This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel, See the World Through Tanvir Kazmi. Again, before I start a new topic, I want to confirm that whatever I say is the based of on news media, social media. I do not have any link with any higher authorities to confirm what I say here. If I do mistake, please correct me or send me information or contact me through email. I appreciate that. Today I chose a very important topic about immigration, and that's widely for many years world is facing the problem of immigrations. The people are migrating from different countries to other countries. So first, I want to talk that immigration is good if people who are migrating are coming with families to enjoy, or they are coming to sightseeing, learning new ways, learning new ways to improve, or they coming to get higher education, or they coming to understanding different cultures, or bringing new values to the new country, or bringing new ideas, expertise, knowledge, or bring new ways which benefit the receiving country. But now I'm talking about the current world's immigration situation and the crisis. Immigration situation has got worse for many years due to many wars, inequality and injustice. Many people die or drowned in the sea trying to go into some other countries. People are being killed while crossing borders. People die hungry or stuck in the middle. So, what we want to talk about why people migrate or leave their homeland when people cannot get basic needs around them, when people do not get quality of life where they are living. People migrate when there's shortage of food and water, or not enough clothing to wear, or better housing to live. They migrate due to natural disasters occur, or due to large floods, due to earthquake, natural disaster. People migrate when small gangs control people day to day life and they cannot live independently. When internal flights or fights prolong, the fights between different gangs or among people get prolonged, and due to the war, they get unrest around. So there's shortage of food, water, and so many productive things that people has think to migrate to some other place to live comfortably. When they have no jobs opportunity in their country or places, when there is no good education facilities, they migrate to get hope to get a better life. There are hurdles. There are hundreds of mismanaged countries nowadays where 10 to 20% top people live in a better life in a very few cities. So mostly people from villages, small towns migrate to those cities for a better life. Cities or other countries. If they are moving from the countries where they have inequality or they have very few cities or better life, so mostly people when they migrate from small towns to a bigger, then it became the cities become crowded and difficult to manage. Now, now let's talk about what people face issues when they migrate to a new place. People face very difficult situation to leave their hometowns to new place. People don't accept them. Immigrant people face big hurdles. Immigrant people face continued threats. Mostly people repel them. They don't welcome them. They call them different names, disrespect them. They doubt them. It put lots of stress, depression on immigrants. I have seen lots of suffering of people during a war, too much injustice, inequality, and suffering. Mostly immigrant people are treated second or third class citizens. They cannot get basic human rights as the local people get. They put them into too much work. They are being used as slaves. Many young immigrant girls are put into prostitution. They force these girls to sell their bodies to hundreds of men in a single month. Extremely painful life for them. Now I will talk how it can be resolved. This immigration issue all over the world. Provide people all facilities where they live. Underdeveloped countries must provide equal living standards in entire country, not limited to 3 or 4 major cities. Provide food, water, clean environment, better housing, good clothing, everywhere in the entire region where people live with equality and justice. You all are one nation under one God, children of one father, Adam. Having difference of being look different, skin color different, language difference, customs difference is a good thing. So human don't feel bored. They enjoy different meals, customs, but everybody's behavior must stay in the boundaries set by our Creator. They all should get some standards of roads, good standard roads, jobs, opportunities, quality transportation, better housing, clothing, food, better marriage opportunities. So this way, there is less chance of desire to migrate to new unknown place. So there will be less chance of desire to migrate to new unknown place. But it is very important to reduce immigration traffic. It creates a lot of stress on both receiving countries or from where they move. Top developed nations must play administrative role. Top development nation must play administration role helping other struggling countries to get out of poverty, hunger and housing crisis. In case of war, United Nations must play vital role to fix things. They must play a vital role to fix things immediately without delay so people won't suffer. Share top machineries. The developed nations should share their resources, advanced technologies. Why they should share? Because we all, entire world, are children of one father Adam, one family. Family always help each other in need. It's very important that immigration needs to be reformed entire world, and we help each other and discourage immigration and provide people everything where they live. But again, as I said, it's very enjoyable if we migrate or go other places to share our knowledge, our things which make their life better. So I try to convince my message. Please let me know if you have any suggestions for me. Take care, good night, and have a nice day. Bye.